TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida. 1 p.m. Eastern time on Thursday. 3 hours left to go in the trading day. And this market, the volatility continues. We just got quite a pop, folks. I'm going to just jump right into it. The S&Ps just went up about 100 points in the span of about 9 minutes, as they were just saying in the den. There's a chart of your S&Ps. At 1250, we were trading at 2500. Fast forward 10 minutes, we're above 2600. My goodness, what does that have to do with? It's a fast market. News is breaking. The New York Fed to conduct purchases across a range of maturities. 3-month repo operation for $500 billion with a B. That's $500 billion set for a half hour from right now. That hitting the tape just between about 12:50 in the afternoon. That market sending everything positive, jumping back to the charts. There's your S&P. I mean, look at that acceleration right now. Remarkable that you trade up 100 points, and that only gets us back to limit down overnight in the futures at 2,600. Nonetheless, though, you're talking about straight 4%. We're trading at 2,500 on the dot. 1% is 25 points. We were just up 4%, and we're right back near those levels. Should be interesting to see how today shakes out. There's your NASDAQ 100. You just traded from 7,370 up to 7,600. Dow 30, quite a pop. 21,324. How about almost 1,000 points in a heartbeat in the Dow? 22,296. Crude oil back above $32 at 32.09. Natural gas contract 185, and that euro US dollar at 111.54. I'm just going to jump around to some of the equities out there, jumping back to the Bloomberg. Because, boy, oh boy, even Apple, for instance, check out this chart of Apple. I pulled this up right before the update myself. Look at that pop. Apple, before the news, trading at about 251. You get the news at 1250. We're now at 261. Apple paring some of those losses. Remarkable moves all over the place. And we'll check in on the VIX as well. VIX index. We'll see if we see that being paired a bit as this market climbs. And the VIX still hanging tough. 68.51 on that print. Stay tuned, folks. Can't wait to see, I should say, what happens with this market. You got $500 billion, $500 billion. I got to recalibrate. I mean, this market's just, we're now at 2604. You have the Dow off 1160. We were down 2100 at one point. Remarkable moves everywhere. 3 hours left to go in the trading day. Steve Rhodes live at 1. Dave White live at 2. Tom O'Brien live at 3. We'll be right back.